1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, so what's happening here, the beginning part, up until the drag, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all the same, right? That's the same thing you were doing before. The only thing we're adding is this is replacing what? The rock step. So from here, you're going to go right to kick, step on your outside foot. Because normally you would go rock, step, kick, step, right? 7, 8, rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, kick, hold, kick, step, kick, hold, kick, step, kick, hold, kick, step. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, kick, hold, kick, step, kick, hold, kick, step, kick, hold, kick, step. Good. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swoop in, kick, rock, step, and then you're back to basic. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock,